And man, they say man, fuck up Clooney. Upper body shot. Get shot in the mouth all over. Grimy dog. Grimy your fuck. Daddy, this one with me here. And that time I nigga they move up on the ground there. The man they must say, brother, the whole like fucking police and get shot serious. He just said, alright, the man they must say, the corporal, the man they must say, him get shot in the head.
The Rabble Rabble show, I got chat to them and make them chat for it. Rabble Rabble, you don't know say the one and only National Rabble Danger. And on this platform, we do things different.
Yo, Daddy, the men were ambushed. Dog, I just know I no voice note that found the mind. Brother, the man they did up on the radio a ball, literally a ball out. You may tell you, gunshot. The man them a high powered rifles, the man them a fire, brother. And the police don't panic, dog. The man panic, the man they panic if run left their gun and run go for cover. Only panic that the man them panic, daddy. Yeah, only panic that the man them panic, dog. I tell you. Alright, you see vehicle crash, assist, them not got assist and thing over the vehicle. Them are not part of the shooting, you see me? But man never say it's like how we have full vehicle on the back the lack of vehicle are 06. We no good here, the man them has a complaint about it. So happen that they did the closest to the shooting and a chair respond down and lose control of the vehicle and crash. But the ambush and get ambush man, no gunman will get shot. Until them get say man them a transfer gun and a little team saying yeah, them running panic dog. Or straight ambush dog, straight ambush. Straight ambush. Now maybe doubt if the man them fire a shot, I think I just take the man them a try to take with them body. I mean say police get a whole heap of shot, I say two of them dead. We get all the picture them already go to the police, them they say dead. And they say man them fuck up Clooney, upper body shot, get shot in the mouth all over. Grimy dog. Grimy your fuck. Daddy, this one with me here, and that time I nigga they move up on the ground there. The man they must say, brother, the whole like fucking police and get shot serious. He said, alright, the man they must say, the corporal, the man they must say, him get shot in the head. And man they say, him go in first. You see me? Him go in first. And like as him clear, as him push it door and have to go in, one thing fucking head. You see me say, man, they say, if he more over there, so I'm by place. You see me, but all of the man them serious, and then one or two shot the man get. And multiple shot the man them get back. So don't be surprised if you say, here's the man them so come now. We just hope the man them pull through. Well, the look say them what left. Just can't have them system of control and shit. They say, be a ball them a ball. Cause them literally here, police them a ball. But they read it dog over my transmission. And the man here shot them on knock dog. Say base for the rifle them on fire dog because of the police gun them brother. Cause they say a Clooney get shot on their mouth and their upper body, you see them? Yeah man, so you them suffer that day. You them going to something where they get ambushes, you know? Yeah, like the intel them or you them have like them go catch the man them move them gun or the man them dog up on a work or something, you see me? But like you don't know them get intel say some gun must be there so then go there and watch how to go feed it, you see me? Like when them go feed the dog them when they decide say them take no chat you know? Say the dog them turn on the fire. You see how big is my already on the ground. Come here, so I'm supposed to go right when I do them. You see, must have check or something like so. You see, I'm already on the ground, that thing grimy. Boy, bro, God, the youth them all the house, I tell them, pandemic or no pandemic, you know, my criminals never cease, isn't it? Can't take nothing for life with dog. Because we have a family, our youth them all live for. I feel like one in the morning, man, not lie. But the feel say them boy enough to sleep, dog. Them boy not rise up. Enough to sleep. And SWAT team, all that team them needed down in that place, dog. I wish I never play too much pretty boy work, yeah, pretty boy media thing. Man, them need to turn up back the thing them for the criminal, dog. Fire with fire, man. Yeah, man, that boy feel the rifle, man. That boy feel the 7.62. But I am 16 months. Brother, may I tell you, say, yo, you see from when me there, brother, the amount of blood, and you can hear, say, yo, a lone rifle a beat, you know, brother. Lone rifle a beat, yo, you can hear 6 pounds different, you can say, alright, them there are police. But you see, everything else, but me I say, boom, yo, a be a shot fire in the dog. But you know, I tell you, right, run this from me, so me I tell you, say, yo, me hear the thing up close, brother, up close to blood. Now, when I tell me, I wonder if I be like, man, I run in that place and be a little sitting, brother, me I say, yo, John, me I say, I pray me hard to see if nobody are running. You see me?
Boy, Blackwood, me don't know enough of the info. Me I get on the ground, you know, them I say it look like a one boy, and I told all the man them approach the thing. Blackwood, me send me here, say, Bernard, we don't know who the hell is Bernard out of Spanish Town, plan the apps and turn it down because I lack of personnel and clueless tech. Right now, they're in a bush of search for police now. Because me I hear people say there's 2 persons that they don't see. 2 persons that they don't see. So right now, police in a bush of search for police them. So Mr. Clooney set this thing up on himself, figure do whatever, and sacrifice man them, brother. Me begs you freak. Me can't even stay over here, so. Because you know, right now I'll be excitement in the Spanish town. Be excitement, so me left that so.
We have some information. It was an intelligence-driven operation that brought us to this scene this morning at about 5 o'clock. We had information that there were a number of some gunmen with weapons, high-powered weapons here. And so the team responded. We did an operation. There was a firefight, and 4 of our members were shot, of which 2 have succumbed to their injuries. And certainly my condolences goes out to the families of those officers.
Well, how many officers went on this operation?
About 11 officers. I'll not speak about what is happening on the scene at the moment, and there are good reasons for that. We're processing it. You know, we're doing it jointly, you know, with us and Indicom, who are here also. So we're processing that scene, and the scene has given us a number of leads to follow, and so we shall.
Sir, for 4 officers to be shot, something terribly went wrong. Any indication at all as to, you know, any early signs as to what might have happened?
Yes, what went wrong is that we have people with high-powered weapons and rifles, criminals with them in Jamaica, shooting at people. That's what went wrong.
The police were caught off guard.
They were not caught off guard. There's no indication of that. Whenever we go into an operation, we have to take due care of how we approach things. The people we confront have no such restrictions. It's a sad day for the force, a sad day for Jamaica when this happens. But you know, that's what we face, and that's why we're police officers.
Rabble Rabble, no fear for tell them say you hear it, so remember to like, share and subscribe. Straight Rabble.